On the track, boy. Hello everyone and welcome to Ree's Room. So on my birthday, my package finally came. Of course, you know what it is. It's gonna be Huda Beauty. I don't know if you can tell, but you probably can't see. Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes. This is jumbo, but I love it. I had to get this because I've been using the same mascara since like middle school, and there's nothing wrong with it, but I felt like I should try something new, and of course I trust Huda Beauty's quality, so I got the mascara. She also dropped this earlier and I never got to use it because I wanted to wait for something a little bit more obvious instead of just using like basic stuff and then like a lip balm. So I got Lace Panty and Femme Fatale. I never know how to say it. If I said it wrong, sorry.
Ooh! Look how cute!
In general, this is actually one of my favorite looks. I'm gonna be using one of my favorite palettes of Huda Beauty's. So it's her neon palette. So this is my favorite go-to when I want to feel like springy, and since my birthday's in spring, I figured I could put them together. You guys let me know if you enjoyed it, if you like the look, if you don't like the look, if you want to see something even more different from me, let me know. Here we go. Like I knew it was gonna be good, but I did not realize how good. Like you guys see it, I'm only using one side so far. Oh. Are you kidding? Look at this. Is this for real? Okay, I'm gonna try this side now. Oh wait, maybe I should wait for it to dry a little bit more. Okay, dance party. This is crazy. This is the best mascara I have ever had in my entire life. This is probably the best money spent on mascara, like ever. This is just too good. Like I don't even want to waste it, but like it just looks so good. I can't even deal. Thank you for making the best makeup that's ever existed. So here is the finished look. I'm actually pretty proud of myself, gotta say. Overall, with this mascara, spot on. I don't think I'll ever switch back to another mascara unless she comes out with something that's like new and improved. Even though this one's like perfect the way that it is, but I'm just saying. So let me know if you guys ended up liking it. If you guys want to imitate it, comment down below because I really want to see that too. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing from you guys. And we shall see you next time. Bye, guys.